Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install a shower door on a tile shower. Alright, so to start with, you're going to want to get a plumb line either in the center from your threshold or on the edge of your trim piece of this metal part of the shower. And I'm using just a regular drill bit just to get a mark on my tile to show me where I need to drill my hole. You could also try to get a pencil through there. Either way, you just got to get your mark. Now I've got a 1/4 inch diamond bit hole saw. I'm going to put a link in the description for these. They're available on Amazon. And once you kind of get your hole started, it helps to wet your drill bit and it helps it just cut through a little easier and cleaner. Once you get some stuff in there, you just got to dig it out. You don't want any obstructions from your hole. Helps to start at an angle, and once you get it going, you can straighten it out. Alright, now that I've got my holes drilled, I'm going to put my anchors. I like to use these blue ones from Lowe's instead of the ones that come with the shower doors most of the time. Just aren't quite as good. And now I'm able to just screw this piece right on. This shower door is a pretty standard style of install that hopefully will be similar to yours. A lot of them will have a little bumper piece that'll go in with the screws right here. Hopefully this video will give you a good overview of the process, and of course you can look at the instructions for your specific shower door. Alright, now I'm going to measure for the bottom piece. Got both my sides in, and this bottom piece is going to fit right in there. And I'm using a grinder with a metal blade on it to get this cut. This one has this rubber piece that goes on the side of it. Yours may or may not have one of these, but you can also put some silicone underneath just to keep any water from getting under through. And now the same thing for the top. I'm going to measure the top and get the top rail cut as well. Most of your shower doors are going to have the wheel piece that is going to attach in some sort of way. And this is just the one that I've got to work with right here. But most of them are at least similar to this. This shower door was also purchased on Amazon. And I'll try to put a link in the description for this one as well. Now to get the shower doors installed, it just slides right up onto that top rail. Best done from the inside of the shower. Alright, this one is sliding pretty smoothly. Definitely is easiest when your walls are plumb and your threshold is level. This one has a guide piece that attaches in the middle here. And that'll just keep the doors from swinging around at the bottom. Alright, now I've got that on. And I can go to the shower door handles. Alright, now I can get some clear silicone caulking around the edges. And that'll just keep it all watertight. Nice thing with the clear is if it gets a little messy, it's a little harder to see. And I'm going to go around the top and down the outside. I can run my finger down it to smooth it out and press it in there. And that's basically all there is to it. Hopefully this video helps you with your shower door. Don't forget to check out my channel for other cool videos about how to do other helpful things. And be blessed.